Yo, welcome back to another video, man. We're here at Gabe's house. Excuse the wind, it's a little windy outside, but the weather is perfect. But I want to show you guys his bike, man. He got his bike done. I just got done riding it. Man. First time riding the bike, I did pretty good though. I didn't fall. I ain't dropped this shit. But yeah, what kind of bike is this, man? Let the people know.
CB550.
Let me go this way just in case it's windy. So you said a CB550, what year?
76.
Damn, it's a 70s bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's dope. This is that same bike you seen in the corner over there, if y'all remember. But he redid it, man. This bike is crazy. Wanna do a flyby? Or a roll, or a drive-by, or whatever? Yeah, man, that bike is dope, bro. I'm gonna give me one. He got that bike done pretty quick, bro. No cap. I swear he makes me want to get a bike, bro. I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get a cruiser just like that. You know what I'm saying? The homie Darren want me to get a street bike, but I don't think I'm ready for it. Oh shit, here you go, look. Yeah, bro, that bike gets down, dude. What the fuck? I gotta get me a bike. Fuck that shit. Damn, that bike is badass. That bike is dope. That bike is dope. How everybody doing though, man? I know I ain't posting in a long time. You know what I'm saying? But we back. Your boy been busy, I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Busy with work and all that. But we are back. You know what I'm saying? No worries. Today's video, we're planning on actually installing the OverFenders, man. They're not completely done yet, but I want to mock them up and make sure they fit properly before I actually like make the actual the finished mold of it or whatever. But yeah, we're just gonna cut. We're gonna cut all this shit off, this extra shit, and then pretty much just get it ready for the OverFenders to go on.
I forgot to turn the choke off.
Bike is clean.
It was slow.
It was slow?
Yeah, I had the choke on the whole time.
Really?
Yeah, I forgot to turn the choke off.
Well, that shit seemed fast. It looked fast. Yeah, it's a dope bike. I'm gonna give me one. I don't care. Soon, man. Soon.
Get you one.
But yeah. So I guess my plan is to cut all this extra egg yolk looking shit off.
Salad, egg salad.
Yeah. And go from there. What are you doing to my car?
Your car ugly.
Oh, get a flathead.
Strong ab. What the f? Where'd you kick her at?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Oh goddamn. You got a fossil on your dick.
Shit hit me in my fucking face.
Looking for dinosaurs. Ancient artifacts.
Yes.
Just post on the forum. Bought this car for 20 grand. Owner hoed. Didn't tell me nothing.
Didn't know it was gonna be this much foam.
Got scammed, buyer beware. So who was it? I don't know.
Wow.
It's better than the KBD.
I know, right? I'm finna go on business.
We're gonna go in business. Bro, what you doing down there, man?
Motherfucker don't fit.
That's not fishing.
There you go.
I guess we don't need nothing back there. Man.
Bro, just draw that shit in the
Yeah,
phone, man.
that's what I'm saying. You have to put something there.
a bracket.
Cody, do you want one down here, or because there's a big gap down there?
Yep.
It's gonna break.
You think so?
I mean, I can go in like here.
It's fiberglass, bro.
Oh
It's
yeah.
the best thing in the world.
You're gonna.
Don't tempt me, man. I'll just, boy, I might throw some bags on that bitch.
See, this motherfucker looking better.
Damn, it look nice on camera. It don't look that good in person.
It's a lie, y'all.
Cause you can't see all the little scratches and shit.
Is the other one on? Oh, other
Nah, we ain't. Damn. Looks way good. Way better. Not bad, not bad.
This ain't the right way to do it. Let's get it full.
Oh yeah, Gabe got his motor back. And he's currently putting it back together. We got snow again in Texas. I'll show y'all how the fenders look real quick. You know what I'm saying? This is the next day. And before I close this video, I just want to show y'all, you know what I'm saying? Fenders looking real good. They're not done yet, but it's a lot better than before. You know what I'm saying? You know, still gotta take them back off and cut all this shit off. Just some last minute shit, but the Z looking way better, bro. Already. Okay, let's go back inside. It's cold.